Hi guys, good morning. Ayan, mag-ready tayo ng sandwich. Ayan, meron tayong wheat bread. Lagyan natin ng mayonnaise, guys. Ayan, spread lang natin, guys. Tapos, wala tayong gulay. Lagyan natin ng ham, guys. Ayan, kinamay ko na, guys. And meron tayo ditong cheese, guys. Ang sarap. Ito, guys. So, meron cheese. Yum, yum, yum. Pakita natin paano buksan, guys. Kinamay ko na. Malinis naman yung kamay ko, guys. Manipis lang siya, guys. Kaya, slowly but surely. And tadaan! So, yan, guys. Ready na yung ating ham cheese egg. Ham cheese sandwich. So, yan na. Ready na for eating. Kain na tayo, guys. Thank you for watching. Ang ganda, guys. So, sarap yan. Kain tayo, guys. Sa mga solid natin supporters, thank you everyone. Sa mga commenters, likers, and reactors, thank you everyone. God bless po. Let's connect to each other at ingat po ang lahat. Bye! Thank you for watching.